Family members in Swahili. Welcome to this lesson. You will learn about family members in Swahili. My name is Abdul Karim and I teach Swahili as a second language. Let's get started. We will start with intermediate family. Baba, baba, father, father, mama, mama, mother, mother, kaka, kaka, brother, brother, dada, dada, sister, sister, children, watoto, mtoto, child, mtoto, child, mwana, son or daughter, mwana, binti, daughter, binti, daughter. In this section, we have the word children. We say watoto, which is a plural form of mtoto, a child. Then mwana is a term that is used to refer to either a son or a daughter, but mostly people use it to refer to a son in most cases. And for the daughter, they just say binti, binti. And this word mwana, you will hear someone saying mwanangu, mwanangu. And this means my child, my child. We move on to extended family. Babu, babu, grandfather, babu. Bibi, bibi, or nyanya, grandmother. Mjomba, uncle, mjomba, uncle. This from mother's side. Shangazi, shangazi, aunt, aunt from the father's side, shangazi. But the uncle from the father's side is ami, ami, while also the aunt from the mother's side is halati, halati. Allow me to also explain about the word bibi. Bibi has several meanings. In most parts of the mainland Kenya, bibi actually means wife, and in the coastal areas, bibi is grandmother. So wherever you are, take note of this. Both are standard Swahili. Bibi is also found in the modern Swahili dictionary, and it means either wife or grandmother. But the use in the location varies. Mainland Kenya, bibi is wife, while coastal Kenya and Tanzania, bibi is grandmother. My family, familia yangu. We use the term angu for my, but we attach different prefixes. Let's see. Baba yangu. Baba is father. Yangu now means my. Baba yangu, my father. Mama yangu, my mother. Mama yangu. Dada yangu, my sister. Dada yangu. How would you say my brother? Write in the comment section. We move on to introductions, introducing your family members. This is my. We say, huyu ni kaka yangu. Huyu ni kaka yangu. This is my brother. Huyu ni kaka yangu. This is my brother. Huyu ni mtoto wangu. Huyu ni mtoto wangu. This is my child. Do you have siblings? How can you ask this question in Swahili? Do you have siblings? We simply say una kaka au dada. Una kaka au dada. Do you have a brother or a sister? We move on to example dialogue. Amina, David, and Sarah. Huyu ni nani? Huyu ni dada yangu, anaitwa Sara. Habari Sara, una kaka au dada wengine? Ndiyo, nina kaka mmoja. In this dialogue, Amina says, huyu ni nani? Who is this? David, huyu ni dada yangu, anaitwa Sara. This is my sister, she is called Sara. Habari Sara, una kaka au dada wengine? Hello Sara, do you have brother or other sisters? Ndiyo, nina kaka mmoja. Yes, I have one brother. Let's practice together. I will read the question and you write the answer in the comment section. How do you say my mother in Swahili? My mother. Write your answer in the comment section. 2. How do you say this is my grandfather? How do you say this is my grandfather? Write your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for learning with me. Follow my Instagram at Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. And if you would like private lessons, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp at +254 701 216 458. Unit 5 is coming soon. See you there.